Good morning, children. How are you? I hope you all are fine. So, children, do you know which book is this? Yes, this is our rhyme book. This is our rhyme book, My Rhymes and Stories. Today we will learn rhyme from this book. Now let's start. Now children, this is your rhyme. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. Wow, very nice rhyme. And children, what is this? Yes, this is hen. Big hen, fatty hen. Now children, start learning. Speak with me. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. 9, 10, a big fat hen. Children, do you like this poem? Do you like this rhyme? Yes. Parents, please help your child to learn this rhyme. Once more, children, speak with me again. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. 9, 10, a big fat hen.
Straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. 1 and 2, buckle my shoe. 3 and 4, shut the door. 5 and 6, pick up the sticks. 7 and 8, lay them straight. 9 and 10, a big fat hen. A big fat hen. A big fat hen. A big fat hen.
So children, I hope you like this video also. So now this is your homework. You should practice, enjoy and sing the rhyme with your parents. Okay?